Good morning.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning. We arrived. Ice. Oh, it's cold.
Like this. Do this. Yeah?
I suck at this. Look at you.
We're gonna make food here. Could be a
Okay, take my flagship one more time.
wow, so mamay.
So pretty. Wait, spam it, Mom? Just spam it. Just keep spamming it.
Hey, go, Mom.
Mom.
Go. Is it pretty nice down there?
Yeah.
It makes it steps.
You want to throw it in here?
That's our sled.
I know. Ooh. It's really fresh now. Look how soft they are.
Oh, I'm so tired. No, it's so hard walking.
Yeah, these are fresh now, that's why.
Yeah.
So hot.
I'm gonna stalk Mom and her friends. Check, she's over there. Look at the Christmas outfits. Oh goodness.
Back it up.
We got the fur babies here. Look how pretty these are.
Should I make this bigger?
It's up to you. Roll it. He's still going. There they are. I'm sinking.
No. No. Mayor, come here now. There. John, just put him in there.
Grapes. He always choosing half first. Look. Hey, Alta. Random answer.
Look at that one.
Cheers. You can do it too. You do it. You just have to breathe and it comes out. One job. You got us too early, bro. I didn't have enough.
Look at that chalk.
On time, Mom.
He's scared. Meanwhile, we have 2 baby fur here. We just ate our food. We had papaya. And the obnoxious dog here.
I did. I thought I was Mayor.
Wow.
Oh, look at them. Look at their snowman. Look at that chin. Bye.
What the heck?
Whoa!
Yay!
Up. Yay!
Wow, so fun.
1, 2, 3.
They're singing happy birthday already.
Hey, where you going?
Arthur, come here. I can't walk you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Arthur. Happy birthday to you.
Go again.
Woo! Yay!
Happy birthday, man.
Tiramisu. Wow. Okay.
Hey, come on. Okay. You guys hungry? You guys want some dinner?
Look at this snowman.
Yeah, but you gotta make the next arm. That's tight. Buff snowman. Look at that. I go all the way. Yeah, you can't your feet. That's the thing. We should go to the back. I should jump
Wait! Wait! Commit!
No up. No up.
I don't.
I bet you I can get one. Hold on it.
Oh.
I'm big, bro.
Hello.
I don't know where my body is.
You don't know your body's out.
Exactly. Where is it?
Paul, everybody, come on, get in. Mary, come. Come here now. Sit right next to your favorite that night.
Mom's house is so cold.
Come here, sit in front of her.
Yeah. There's her.
Oh my God,
Tia's coming now.
Tia, come here, Titi. Come here.
Can you grab Boba? We know she don't walk this way.
Tia. Good to introduce you, Tia. Tia.
Come here.
Oh, it hurt. Come on, baby. Come on. Wait, baby, sit down, baby. Easy. Okay, ready? Baker, you hold it.
Come on, Lonely. Okay.
Okay, our son.
Can you hold it?
If that one hand, I'm him right now.
If that one hand.
Three, two,
Everybody say happy birthday, Nancy.
Happy birthday, Nancy!
1, 2, 3.
Arthur,
Happy
two.
birthday, Nancy.
Arthur! There, wait.
Okay.
One.
3,
What the hell
2,
is happening right now?
1.
I thought I was laying down.
Okay, we got it.
Yeah. You're smelling balls half the time.
Alright, we're cleaning up. We're gonna head home.